Hi, I'm Patrick Halde, Chief Growth Officer at Vention, and welcome to Automatica 2023. I'm really excited to share more about our latest upgrades to MachineLogic, so come with me. From the start, our goal with MachineLogic was to empower users of all backgrounds to be able to deploy automated equipment. And with our latest release, we're getting even closer to that goal. Vention's newly updated MachineLogic just got even simpler. With our visual sequence editor now featuring a tree view, you can now create, organize, and edit programs in a very simple fashion. Our drag and drop features allows you to add, organize, and edit your commands throughout your application. For our users more familiar with programming, we now have Python available in MachineLogic. Users are now able to program, simulate, and deploy using our manufacturing automation platform in a very streamlined process. You can find out all about our latest updates directly on our website. With MachineLogic, you can now program your way.